What's up, guys? Chris Schwenk, aka the Tech Jobber here, and today we're tackling something that's on a lot of people's mind. That is how to land a job when the market isn't exactly cooperating, as in the current market. I'm not here to give you the same old strategies that you've heard a million times. Instead, I'm sharing battle-tested strategies that are working for people right now in 2024 and into 2025. Let's be real for a second. Yes, we've seen layoffs. Yes, we've seen hiring freezes. What a lot of people don't tell you is there's a lot of companies that are still hiring. They're just being way more selective given the current talent pool. That's exactly why you need to change your approach. The first thing you need to change is your speed. The first and most important lesson I'm going to tell you is that speed kills in this market. Not just being fast to apply, but being first in everything you do. I see this all the time, and it costs people jobs on pretty much a weekly basis. First thing you're going to do is to set up job alerts. Create custom alerts on LinkedIn, Indeed, and company websites. Also, make sure you're talking to recruiters in your individual spaces like me, and make sure you're following all my LinkedIn updates because I post all my open jobs there. One thing you need to know is the 2-hour rule. In a relevant job posts, you have about 2 hours to apply, period. After 24 hours, your chances drop by 60%. Also, if someone like me needs you to update your resume, get it done as soon as possible. A lot of people wait till close of business or the next day. By then, the job is already filled. Also, one thing you have to do is after you apply, send a follow-up message on LinkedIn. Make sure you're reaching out to the hiring manager or HR manager within 4 hours of applying. This will show them you're actually interested in the job and didn't just quick, easy apply there. Okay, tip number 2, make sure you're leveraging AI whenever you can in your job search. The first and most important thing you have to do when using AI to get a job is to use it to optimize your resume. Use Claude or ChatGPT to tailor your resume for each job. But here's the key. Have it analyze the job description for hidden requirements and company values, and make sure those are on your updated resume. If you're not doing this, your competition, I can assure you, is. So this won't actually have you stand out that much. You're just staying even by doing this. Another way to use AI in your job search is interview prep. Make sure you're feeding the job description, company blog posts, and recent news into an AI tool to generate likely interview questions. But don't just memorize the answers. Use them to create stories around your experience and how it's relevant. Third way you need to be using AI in your job search is portfolio enhancement. Use it to help document your projects better. Have it write compelling project descriptions that highlight the business impact you were involved in. And if you're looking to get off the job market finally, take a look at the Tech Jobber career platform and get a 7-day free trial by clicking the link below. Okay, strategy number 3, the value first application. Here's where you really stand out. Instead of just applying, create value first. Research the company's public-facing issues or challenges. Include this in your application as a preview of value. I've seen developers get hired with this approach even when companies claimed they weren't hiring. Strategy 4, network differently. Here's what's working right now. Join technical communities where hiring managers actually hang out. Contribute to technical discussions. Become known for solving problems and build relationships before you need them. Help others first. Strategy 5, build your proof portfolio. In a tough market, talk is cheap. You need proof. Here's what you need to focus on. Create mini projects that solve real business problems. Document your problem-solving process. Show metrics and results, even from personal projects. And if you're a developer, get on GitHub. Show your code. And strategy 6, master the art of professional follow-ups. This is where most people drop the ball. It's where the magic happens. Let's break down the perfect follow-up scenario. For tech recruiters in your niche, create a spreadsheet tracking recruiters who specialize in your stack. React, Python, whatever it is. Connect with them on LinkedIn with a personal message highlighting your relevant skills. Share and comment on their posts about market trends or job openings. Schedule monthly check-ins even when you're not actively looking. I have some people that reach out to me on a weekly basis. While sometimes that can be annoying, you know I'm going to remember them as soon as a job comes out so I can get them off the market. They'll remember you. One last tip for recruiters, help them by referring other talented developers or people in your field. They'll definitely remember you there. Okay, now when it comes to following up with HR managers, you're gonna wanna build a target list of companies that hire with your tech stack. Follow all of their HR people and talent act people on LinkedIn. Make sure you're engaging on LinkedIn with all of their company culture posts and hiring announcements. This is a great way to stand out in the LinkedIn comments. Also, make sure you're sharing relevant industry articles and adding your insights on top. That's another way to stand out. One key point about dealing with HR, don't just follow about open jobs. Try to build a genuine professional relationship with them. One thing I would recommend, creating a touch point calendar. Never let more than 6 weeks go by without meaningful interaction with some of those HR and talent act people. Use AI to help draft personalized follow-up messages and track which approaches get the best response rates and double down on what works. In closing, just remember, tough markets don't last forever. The pendulum eventually swings back, but they're perfect for building skills that will serve you throughout your career. Focus on speed, leverage AI smartly, and always lead with value. Drop a comment below with your biggest job search challenge, and I'll try to help you solve it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-world tech career advice.